The next topic is type of trends. There are three types of trends in market. Uptrend, it makes higher lows and higher highs. Downtrends, lower highs and lower lows. And sideways, it's also called as range bound. How do we determine the market trend? When market to be in uptrend, it makes series of higher highs and higher lows. When market to be in downtrend, we see series of lower highs and lower lows. So if you notice in this chart, the market is in the uptrend. It is the Titan is making series of higher highs and higher lows, higher high, higher low. It is continue the uptrend. And if you well notice, the short-term moving average is higher than the long-term moving average, downtrend. So in the downtrend, if you notice, we have series of lower lows and lower highs, and the short-term moving average is below the long-term moving average. In the trending market, the market does not move in vertically up or down. Market makes series of higher highs and higher lows in uptrend and lower highs and lower lows in the downtrend by means of two waves, impulse wave and the corrective waves. In the trending market, market does not move vertically up or down. Market makes series of higher highs and higher lows in uptrend, lower highs and lower lows in the downtrend by means of two waves, impulse wave and the corrective wave. Let's see what is impulse wave and corrective wave. So this is the uptrend market. This is the chart of Bajaj Finance. If you notice, the impulse wave is always sharp. It is highlighted in the blue color and the corrective wave shown in the red color arrow mark. If you well notice, the impulse wave always shows the sharp move and the corrective waves always show the kind of consolidation. So we should utilize the impulse wave move to make the good profits. Now we see the downtrend market. So this is a chart of India Bulls Housing. So this is the sharp impulse wave move in the downside and corrective wave, and the sharp impulse wave and the small corrective wave, sharp impulse wave. So again, as I said, for the uptrend, we should utilize the impulse wave for the downtrend to make the highest profit in trading. Now we see how do we determine the market is consolidating or the range bound. We saw how to determine market trend above. To determine if the market is consolidating, we just look at absence of higher highs and higher lows or lower highs or lower low patterns. In the chart, note how the consolidation price action is bouncing between horizontal supports and resistance level and is not making higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low pattern, but is instead going side. In the range bound market, we have two kinds, range expansion and range contraction. Let's see the chart so that you understand better. Now we see range expansion. So this is the Titan chart. It had a long consolidation. It means it is during the accumulation phase. If you notice, there is a consolidation happened and the consolidation phase is expanded and it made in the bigger range, and after that the breakout comes. Just before the breakout, there is an expansion in the range of consolidation and range contraction. So after the range expansion, again the range was contracted. So from the bigger range to the smaller range is called as range contraction in the consolidation market.